Hello everyone, welcome to a new video. Today I'll be teaching you how to enable the sound on your Galaxy A17 and all its versions. If your phone has no sound, I'll show you all the options to get the sound working again. First of all, let's check the alarm by tapping on this clock icon. Here you tap on alarm and then tap on the alarm that might not be ringing on your phone. It's important that when you set an alarm, you select the days of the week up here when it should ring, because if you don't mark the days correctly, it won't go off on the days you didn't select. So here, you'll click on the sound option, and you should click here and select, well, here you tap allow, and then select a ringtone that actually has sound, because there are some ringtones here that don't have any sound, so they wouldn't ring. Yeah, select a ringtone, go back, make sure this volume is set to maximum, then we'll go back again, and once everything is set up correctly, you'll click here to save. After doing that, we'll exit from here. Just wait a moment. Now let's go into the settings icon. Before that, swipe down twice from the top right of the screen and check for this speaker icon. If you don't find it here, you'll find it over here. So it can't be like this, no, it can't be like this, it needs to be like this. So we turn the volume button all the way up or down, click on these three dots, and make sure everything here is set to the maximum, okay? Alright, now here inside settings where we entered, let's scroll down to the sound and vibration option. Here this option should be set to sound. You will click here on ringtone of your phone and make sure that a ringtone is selected, because if, for example, this option is selected, your phone won't have a call ringtone, so choose a ringtone. Make sure the ringtone volume is set to maximum here as well, and do the same for the notification sound, okay? So we also have system sound here. Go in, make sure the sound is at maximum and that these options are enabled, okay? Let's go back. Volume. Click here and make sure everything is set to maximum as well. Let's go back again, and I think that's all there was here. Let's go back again, and now we'll scroll down to the applications or apps option and go in here. Now you'll look for the app that might not be playing notification sounds on your phone. Click on it, then we'll click on permissions here, and now you'll scroll down to the sound and audio option. We'll click here and make sure that the phone sound and audio are enabled. Let's go back, okay? Yeah, notifications should be enabled, and this option should be selected here, because if you select this one, the notifications and vibration for this app will be silenced. So it's important to have this option selected and these three options checked for each of your apps. So for the apps where you're not receiving notifications, you should go into them and check if these options are set correctly. So that's it for today's video. I hope I was able to help. If I helped you, don't forget to leave a like, drop your comment below, and if possible, subscribe to the channel for more videos.